Welcome to Curie Electronics. So today we are going to learn about ratio. This is a good topic to learn, and whenever you attend some other exams like competitive exam also, these ratio based questions they may ask. Usually they will ask ratio based questions. Now what is a ratio? What is ratio? It is this ratio we used for comparison, or we can say relation between two quantities of same type. That is a relation between two quantities of same type. Same type, what I meant, if it is number, then everything has to be there in number. If it is in kilogram, everything, all the whatever we are doing the ratio problem, all numbers should be there in kg. Or if it is in rupees, all should be in rupees. Like that same code. If it is in length, all should be in length. Length means if lengths are given, then all should be in either in centimeter or meter, but only one you should use. And how do you mention this ratio? That is A to B. This you can read it as A to B. We write the small letters. You can read it as A to B, or A is to B. This also we can write it in a fractional form. That is A is to B equals A upon B. That is the fractional method. A upon B. With this background, let's try to solve the problems. The ratio of number of boys and girls is 4:3. If there are 18 girls in a class, find the number of boys in the class and the total number of students in the class. So here we have a ratio of boys to girls. It is in the ratio of 4:3. Next, what is saying? If there are 18 girls in a class, how many boys are there? So this, let us take it as X. Now once you have like this, what you have to do? You have to do the cross multiplication. If cross multiply, what you get? 3x equals 4 multiplied by 18. So x equals 4 multiplied by 18 upon 3. 6. So 4 times 6 are 24. So we got 24. So 24 boys are there in that class. You see, this is we have approached a mathematical method. In a logical way also you can solve it. How? See, we have the ratio as 4:3. What is the other ratio we have? This should be equal to, these ratios are going to be equal whether you multiply or divide. X equal to 18. Now this the 3 has become 18 on the right side of the equal to sign. So to make 3 to 18, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 6. So you will get the value of x if you multiply the same number 6 with 4, that is equal to 24. So this way logically we can just write it. Once you know now one more question is pending. What is that? Total number of students. total number of students. Total number of students, that is 18 plus 24. That is 18 plus 24, which is equal to 42. 18 plus 24 equal to 42. Next question. Weight of one casting is 3 kg, whereas weight of another casting is 400 grams. Compare the weights. Here what you have, see here you have to take care of the units. So I will take it as A and B. A equals 3 kg, B equals 400 grams. The first thing what you have to do, you have to make it to the same quantity. Now I'll write A is to, we can read it as A to B also, but I will use the convention of A is to B. So A is to B equals 3 kilogram, I will convert to grams. If you multiply 3 by 1000, we can convert kg to kilogram. So 3000 is to 400. What you have to do? Divide by 100 to reduce to a simple form. So 330 is to 4 we get. Again, if you divide by 2, what you get? A is to B equals 15 is to 2. So 15 is to 2. So this is the answer. Now we are going to solve the previous year ITI questions. Mixed fraction is given, that is 1 upon 2 is to 2 1 upon 4. This we have to convert to a normal fraction. Already we have learned in the previous classes how to convert a mixed fraction to a normal fraction. If we convert this to normal fraction, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon 2 is to 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, so that is 9 upon 4. Now what I have to simplify this again. So what I do, 3 upon 2, this both numbers I will multiply by 4. 9 upon 4 multiply by 4, which equals, what happens? We'll get 2. So 6 is to 4 cancels 9. Again we can divide this by 3. What you have to do? Divide by 3 both. So we'll get 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So the answer is 2 is to 3. That is the simplest form. Find the value of x if x is to 15. See, double colon is there. This the 2 dot, no, we will call it as colon. So x is to 15. That double colon can be replaced by equal to sign. That is meant by equal to. 3 is to 2.5. Now first you have to write it in the fractional method. The ratio we can write it in fractional method also. So what do you write? I'll write it as, the first one is x is the numerator, 15 is the denominator. 3 upon 2.5. Now cross multiply. 2.5x equals 15 multiplied by 3. So x equals 15 multiplied by 3 upon 2.5. So 2.5, how many times 15? 6 times. So you will get x equal to 18. We need not do all these things. Okay, what is the simplest thing? If we simplify this ratio, again we will get back. What you have to do? Here itself is saying x equal to 3. So the answer is, directly we can write the answer x equal to 3. Let's let's see, let's simplify and see what comes. So we get what we get, 18 is to 15 equal to 3 is to 2.5. So no point in simplifying it, we'll get the same answer. So it is 3. Next question. An alloy consisting of 3 metals A, B and C in the proportion of 1 is to 2 is to 3. Weight of the alloy is 72 kg. This alloy means alloy is made up of different metals. Then weight of ABC are in the ratio of. Okay. Now we have the ratio A, B, C and total weight. Total weight. It is in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 and it is 72 kg. And now if we see here, see this, we can add these three numbers. See 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we'll get 6. So what you have to do, you have to write 72 upon 6. Total sum of these ratios, that is 6. What do you get? We will get a 1s, 6, 12, 2 times. So 12. Now, one portion of this ratio, or one part of this ratio is going to be 12. Then it will get multiplied. So now, how do I write it? 1 multiplied by 12, because one portion, this is next 2 multiplied by 12 is to 3 multiplied by 12. This should come to 72. So 12 is to 24 is to 36. So 36 plus 24, 60. 60 plus 12, 72. So this is correct, 72. So the weight is going to be in the ratio of, what is the ratio? 12, 24, 36. That is the option D. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Calculate the value of each resistance if the total resistance of 1200 ohms of circuit is divided in the ratio 3 is to 5. So we have two resistors, R1, R2, and the ratio is given as 3 is to 5. And the total, what is the total resistance? That is 1200. Now we have to find, what we have to find? Each resistance value. Now here also what I do, I will take the sum of 2. So I will take the sum of these ratios, that is 8. Then from the total 1200 upon 8, if I divide this, what I'll get 150. Do it yourself. 150 I'll get. So one portion is 150. So easily I can write the ratio. How do I write? 3 multiplied by 150 is to 5 multiplied by 150. So this is equal to what? 450 is to 750. So 450 is to 750 is the right answer. That is the option B is the right answer. Next question. 3 partners have capital is in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 9. The share of first partner for the year's profit is 625 rupees. What is the total profit? So here also we have 3 ratios, A, B, C. And that is given as, what is the ratio? 5 is to 6 is to 9. And he has given profit of, see, one. If you are able to find out what is one portion, then easily you can solve. So here total, here also what I will do, I will take the sum of these three. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 9, 20. What is the profit got for one person we know? That is 625. So to find here one person's profit we know. That is A's profit 625. But what is the proportion of his shares? 5. So 5 divided by 625 should give you 125. Once you know it is 125 is one portion of this ratio is 125. Then easily you can write that is 5 multiplied by 125 is to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 125 is to 9 multiplied by 125. If you simplify this, what you get? What is the total profit only is asking, correct? So instead of this, what we can do? 125 multiplied by what is the portion? 20. If you do what is 122 times 125 multiplied by 2, 250. So it is going to be 2500. So once you understand this concept, you can solve the questions really quickly and easily. Next question. How many pieces of 3.5 centimeter long string can be cut from a length of 7 meters? First thing is that it is 7 meter. 7 meter means when you convert it to centimeter, it is 700 centimeter. This is all we have learned previously how to convert. You can watch the previous video, which I'll give it in the I button. 700 centimeter. And we want to cut it into a pieces of what is each piece length? 3.5 centimeter. Half means 0.5. Now you can find out a number of pieces, that is n equals 700 upon 3.5. What do you get? You will get 200. So you can cut 200 pieces from this. Option C. Question number 7. It's also similar question. What is the total length? He has given 72 meters. 72 meter is the total length. And what each piece length, what is the thing? One small piece, if we take from here to here, it is going to be 4 meter. Now n equal to what? 72 upon 4, which is equal to what? It should come 18. 18 is the answer. So 18 is the right answer. Next question. This is you have to understand how to do it. A belt passes over a 280 mm diameter pulley rotating at 300 RPM. RPM means, what do you mean by RPM? Revolutions per minute. Revolutions per minute. In 1 minute, one motor shaft, how many times it rotates? So in this case is 300 per minute. How far does a point on the pulley move in 2 minutes? So we are going to have a total of 600 revolutions. And here, see, we have the pulley, okay, and the diameter, this is D. D equal to what? How much he has given? 280 mm. This we have to convert into. Answer is there in meters. So we have to convert into meters. So what you have to do? That is 280 upon 1000 to convert to mm to meter. So 0.28 we will get. Diameter equal to 2.28. And now, see, this is the, we have to find how much distance a point, let's say this is as a point, let A be the point here. This point, how much distance the point travels during 2 minutes. That's what we have to find out. So what we can do, if you cut open, see, this is your pulley, we have to find the length of the pulley. How do you, if you cut here and stretch it, what we get? We get a line. This is equal to length equal to 2 pi r. So we have to find 2 pi r. That is the circumference of a circle. So 2 pi r, what is 2 pi r value? 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by, what is the radius? Radius should be half of the diameter. So 0.14. Now you multiply, what you get? It should come to 0.8792. It should come to 0.8792. Now, in 300 revolutions per minute, 300 times it is rotating. That means for total distance equal to 600 revolutions, because 2 minutes we are considering, multiplied by this 2 pi r, that is 0.8792. How much it comes? It comes to 527.5. So roughly it is 528 meter is the answer. 528 meter is the right answer. Question number 9. If x is to 15 equal to 6 is to 9, then x is equal to, what he has given? X is to 15 equal to 6 is to 9. So we will write this in a normal fraction. So x upon 15 equal 6 upon 9. Now what you have to do? Cross multiply. Okay, this cross multiplying, it's simple. 9x equals 15 multiplied by 6. X equal 15 multiplied by 6 upon 9. This is 3, 2, 5 times. So 10, x equal to 10. Now the option we have, what is the x value? X value is equal to 10. We need not to do anything else. Or should we simplify it? I think no need to, if then it will come x equal to 10 is there. 10 is to 15 equal to 6 is to 9. Now let's try to simplify. If I simplify this, what we will get? I'll get 3. 2 is to 3. So we can't simplify because 2 is not there in the answer. So x equal to b. 10 is the right answer. Next question. Reduce the ratio 72 is to 18 into simplest form. This is very simple. All of you guys will do it. How? 72 is to 18. I can multiply or divide to simplify this. This is equal to, we can write it as 4 is to 1. How 4? 18 multiplied by 4. How much do you get? 4 is 32. 3, 1, 4, 7, 72. So the answer is 4 is to 1. What is the ratio between 1 kg 750 grams to 7 kg? So both I will convert it to grams. So 1 kg 750 grams is to 7 kg. This we have to convert into same unit. So 1 kg plus 750 grams, that I will write it as 1750 grams is to 7 kg equal to 7000 grams. And now we have to 100 divide by 10. Divide by 10. Once you divide by 10, what you will get? 175 is to 700. Again we can divide by 5, we can divide. Right, that is again if you divide, what we get? I'll write it as equal to, divide by, I'm dividing it by 5. Then what you get? You get 35 is to 140. Again what you do, divide by 5, then you get 7:28, which is equal to, again we can divide by 7, 1:4. So 1:4 is the right answer for this question. Question number 12. I'm doing it quickly because I don't want to make more than a half an hour video for you. Okay. Next question. In an alloy, ratio of copper and zinc is 9:16. That is, copper to zinc equal to 9:6. A bell of weight 45 kg is made from this alloy. What is the quantity of copper will be used? See, now here also you just take the total only 15. Then you sum these ratios, then divide from the total 45 upon 15. We will get 3. So 3 is one portion. Then what we can write? So what you have to find? Copper. That is 9. So then you'll get 9 multiplied by 3, 27 kg. So 27 kg will be used. Copper will be used. If you want to find the zinc, what you do? 9, no, not 9, 6. 6 multiplied by, what is one portion? 3, 18. So 18% is for the zinc. 18 part. This is the last question. I hope you like these videos. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the like button. Also don't forget to share the video with your friends. Okay, let's solve the last question. What is it? The ratio between dia of a cone D to length D is to L equal to 1:10. Next, what is telling? L equal to 200. We have to find the D, we have to find 1:10 also there. Now what you will do? Write in the form of fraction. D upon 200 equals 1/10. So 10D, cross multiplying, 10D equal to 200. So D equal to what? 200 upon 10, very simple, equal to 20. So 20 is the answer. So options I forgot to write. So the answer equal to 20. So we have completed all. So 4 minutes.